Hi, Steve Draper here at my workshop in Bellevue, Nebraska. I just returned from a week-long course at the Marc School of Woodworking in Franklin, Indiana, where I took their joinery class. And that is a week-long class. It's the first course in their master's program, which consists of 10 courses. And that is one of the first courses that is required. So I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about that experience. In the segment here, I'm going to talk primarily about the first 2 days where we learned how to do hand-cut dovetail joints. And on the table here, this is the required tools that you're expected to purchase or already have and bring with you to the course. And of course, here's a complete set of chisels I have from an 1/8 inch all the way up to 1 1/4 inch. Then this is a Japanese pull saw for cutting the dovetails. 4-inch engineer square. You can use a combination square as well. A 12-inch ruler, a rasp, a file, a beveled sliding T-bevel, some pencils, a X-Acto knife with a number 11 blade in it, a scribe, scraper, and a mallet. And those are the required tools for the course. And of course, you want to have a notebook with you to take notes of the course. So those are the requirements that we had to have to bring with us to the course. And of course, ahead of time, when you sign up for the course, you're sent the list of tools, so you have plenty of time to acquire those tools if you don't already have them. So I wanted to show you here, I've got here on the table here the dovetail joints that we learned how to cut from the very beginning in the first 2 days. And so this one here, this is one of the first dovetail joints that I learned to cut with just 2 pins and 1 tail. And this, as you see here, this happens to be a half-blind dovetail. We did not do this on the first time. We did that after we learned how to do through dovetails. And then this here is the through dovetail, of course, again with 2 pins and 1 tail. And we're taught in the school to cut these tight enough that when you press them together, it's a real tight friction fit. That's how we're taught in the school to do these. And then, of course, when you're ready to glue it up, you would add the glue. And this is another one of the same joint. This one here is, that's how when it comes apart. Same one with 2 pins and 1 tail. This one here, we learn how to do a through dovetail with one piece being thicker than the other. And that's what this represents here. And this not being as tall as the other. So this might be representative of what you might do on doing drawers, where sides would not be as big as the top. We learned how to do that. Here's another one. This one here has 3 pins and 2 tails on it, on this one. And we were allowed to set these up however we wanted. And then we also learned how to do it with thinner stock with multiple pins and tails on it, like you see on this one here. And so that's what we focused on for the first 2 days. We did do one other dovetail joint, which I don't have here on the table with me, and that was a lap dovetail joint. And so that concludes what we covered on the first 2 days of the course.